Sir, you will tell me any questions on LMS?
Okay, wait a minute, sir. Let me think about it.
I will type here some questions.
Yeah. For example, what's the difference between free software and open software or the open resources software?
No, I will make, sir. So what I will do here, 2 marks. Suppose if you see downside delete button is there, duplicate is there, then required. Suppose if you does not give this required answer, he can skip the question. So you cannot assess. Okay, that one also we will explore that one. So this is mandatory. Quiz attempt is compulsory. So we have to give this one as a required. Then first question is ready. Then I will go for next question. Which of the following is LMS? So then I will go for this one, multiple choice question. So if you observe here, first I chosen as a option A, capital letter, then Edmodo. If you click enter, so automatically it will come capital B automatically. No need to type again. Okay. All the above. Now I have to choose correct answer. So correct answer. So Edmodo, Google Classroom, Moodle. So all these three will come under learning management systems only. So then I will click this one. Done. Okay. So in this manner, then you can continue the n number of questions. So then I will take one more.
It goes here and comes here.
Which of the following is our MOOC providers? And Swayam. Feature Learn. edX. So then I will check. So all the above. Okay. Okay. I think these 3 questions is enough, I think. So you find any error from my side? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, now I prepared 3 questions for demo purpose. It's enough now.
Yeah.
I prepared 3 questions, but here one error is there. Anyone can tell me what is the error?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. I'm thinking about the questions. What can we ask?
Not question. Actually, we prepared only questions. but this
Okay.
questions is for whom. So that one we does not mention anywhere. That
Okay.
means student name not mentioned. So
Yes.
student name, then we have to make as a first or last also no issue. We can take last also. There is no issue.
Okay.
So normally first student name will come or roll number will come. Then email, phone number also you can collect. So how you are taking your feedback form in the same manner you can prepare that one. Okay. So for example, if you do like this, then what will happen also we will check. Just we will cross check
Yes.
for the demo purpose.
Find the in the response section whether the students responded or not.
Yes, yes. No, response means we does not mention no to type their name. For example, if
Okay.
you give like this, so those who are there students in the Google Classroom, that people only can attend.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so then just we will cross check. Okay, just we will cross check what will happen. Okay. Just now I am sending. So after finishing preparing your quiz from Google Classroom,
In this
you
section,
just
you have not
click.
mentioned the setting. I think who is sending, there is no mention. So,
Who is sending? This
collect
is
email or name is required, I think.
no need, sir. For example, this classroom is for only for specific. Already students are there, teacher are there, so there is no problem. So it will go automatically. So we are not sending for others. Okay. Now if you see here, okay, for the safety purpose, I will also give that one instead of that one. 1 minute. Okay, so name of the student, then 3 questions. So this is enough. So now question, this means quiz is ready. Now we can go for some setting. Suppose at present student can appear number of times, n number of times. Suppose if you see settings option, student can respond. That means if you click this one, limit to 1 response. If you go for settings in general option, there is requires sign in. So limit to 1 response. So limit to 1 response means he can submit only 1 time. Okay, if you does not give this one, he can attempt number of times. Okay, limit to 1 response. So if you click limit to 1 response, suppose if you click this one, edit after submission. 1 minute. So limit to 1 response, then we'll give that one. Then so here only name of the student is there. So we does not collecting through email. Actually, if you want attempt the quiz means the email ID. So then I will collect email ID also. Then click on save. Click on save. So now I am sending this one. Send. Now if you see here, send via email. Send by using link. Okay. Send via email. Send by link. Then click on shorten URL. You can use any one. Then you can send it. Okay. Then I'm making shorten the URL. Copy.
So I think we can also add contributors in the link section.
Yeah, yes. No, we can use. There are 4 ways are there. Embedded
Okay.
code also is there, but embedded code it will give confuse.
Yes. And we can also add spreadsheet.
Yeah. Now if you see what is the output of this question paper, so required email ID, name of the student, 1 fill in the blank question is there, 3 multiple choice questions are there. Okay, this one. 1 minute. Then I will go back. So without sending, now if you see here, this is the blank quiz, this is the quiz name, okay, which I prepared now. Now if you see here, the total points, I prepared only 4 questions. Just I will make only 4 2s are 8. Grade 1's 8. So if you want to make a date, you can see here date. You can select the date also. Now 10th 10. So I will. Today is the 9th. So we will select 9. Then 10. Okay. Enough. 11 to 10 p.m. Then topic. So it is related to LMS. Then everything was selected. Now I am assigning. So those who are there in the Google Classroom, they will get this quiz. Now I am assigning. Just now I am assigning this quiz. Yeah. Now if you see here, the quiz was assigned. In my Google Classroom, there are 24 students are there. So it was assigned. But if anyone will give respond, so that people will come in turned in. So if you see the grade book, grades, so grade was not done. Why? Because no one was submitted. So this is the grade sheet. So those who joined as a student, 24 are there. So kindly submit this one answer. Then how it will appear also, you can see. I can explore that one, how it will come. So meanwhile, for my students, how I am using also I will explore. You can observe, then you will get idea. Just I will go. This is my PhD scholars. You just observe here. So I am taking attendance also here, daily report also I am taking from here, quiz, assignment, everything I am doing by using Google Classroom only. Just I will come here. Now if you see here, so only we have 5 scholars. So we conducted quiz. So this is their scores. Then we will get what is the average of this class also we will get automatically. Okay. Okay, this is how we are using this Google Classroom for assessment purpose. So just we'll wait for 2-3 minutes.
Sir, good afternoon. Sir,
Yes, yes, madam.
audible? Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Good
yes,
afternoon,
madam.
sir. Sir, just wish to ask one question, if it is is it permitted?
Yes, tell me, madam.
Sir, while giving that assignment, if I want to fix the timing, actually timer, because the students are very smart nowadays, what they are doing, simultaneously they are googling the question and they are getting the answer and making a tick mark. So, is it possible to give the timer for the for completing the assignment? Is it possible?
Madam, here timer also is possible, but the problem is if you does not add on properly, so it will go waste. But in Google, if you are collecting through Google form, it is not saved. So for that purpose, we have other online techniques we have. So that one I will explore tomorrow. So you cannot copy. So time limit, everything it will be there. Tomorrow I will show you that one.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
So this one, how we are using assessment part, especially for quiz by using Google Classroom. This way we are conducting for our student. But when we are doing all these things, then we notice. Suppose I will show you that part also, how students will cheat also. That one also I will show you. That their marks will come same. That means those who are side by side, they will discuss and they will give the answer. They can search in the Google and they will give the answer. So that one also I will show you. Just now, if you see here the student has 100 out of 100. So this one they was copied from the internet. That means they searched internet answers all these things, then they give it. So that's why it came 100 out of 100. You can see here 72, 90, 100. Some those who are missed the this one a quiz online quiz. So there is a time limit was given. So after the deadline, they cannot submit. So the student was missed on time. So then we will go back our actual quiz. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2. So only four submitted. Just I will go back. Now you can see here. See Anjali Ashok. The screen is visible now, Anjali Ashok.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then he was attempted. Just we will go for their submission. Just I am opening that one. Now you see the timing here. So this assignment was quiz was given in 2:18 p.m. Then he was turned in 2:19. That means they was responded very fast. Wait, 1 minute. Hold on. Now see here. So now we have to release these answers. Now you see here. So earlier it was shown empty, right? You can see here. For example, sorry, here if you see here, their score was not given, right? So not given. Now what I am doing here, if you see here, so their scores already it is there. Now here if you click this release option, so this is questions, then responses. So out of 24, 4 was responded. So then what I am doing, if you give this click release, now if you see here, these 4 email IDs, we got the responses. Now I am sending their marks to their respective email IDs. Click send. So marks was released. Okay. So marks was released. If they can check their email IDs, so then they will get their answers. Sir, kindly check, sir, those who submitted.
Please check and respond. Your email.
Otherwise, then I can show from my side itself, no issue. For example,
Excuse me, sir.
hello.
I am Deepak Kumar Das, but I have
Yes.
already viewed my score by view score option before you send me the same.
I did not get, sir.
I have already get my
Okay.
score through view score option.
Okay.
Before you
What?
have you got it, sir? Have you got it?
You
My
are
voice?
Can you tell me again? I did not understand the question.
I have filled up the Google form
Okay.
and view my score through
Okay.
view score option.
Okay.
I want to say that I have already viewed my score
Okay.
before you send through email.
Oh, so answer already displayed here. So all they will do correct
Yes.
only. That one you are telling, right?
Okay. Yes.
That one only, sir, you are telling. Actually,
Yeah.
when I typed the question, it is not secret. So I given what are the question, what are the
No,
options.
no, sir. No. After responding your Google form
Okay,
and submitting the form,
okay.
there was an option view score. Through view score option, I've already get my score.
Yeah, you will get, sir. No, for our record purpose, no, you also knows. But for our record purpose, if you see here, all the students details will be there here. So then we will enter here. Now, for example,
Okay.
already scores were released. The marks also you got. When you submitted also you got. But for our record purpose, so then we have to enter it. Then we have to save in the drive. Whenever you need the score, then you have to download it. Then you can submit in our office. So like that way we can do it.
Okay, sir.
So this is one way. Suppose if you see, then one more I will go. I will go back. Suppose if any student was submitting answer, then if you want give grade, so instead of giving the mark, that means 100 points, then it is better to go for rubric. So how we can use the rubrics, then I will explore that one. You just observe that one. For example, when we will use rubrics, for example, if you are giving any project. So otherwise, if you take example as a journal article writing, or PhD synopsis. So for that purpose, you can use the grading, the good, average, excellent, like this. So how we can do that one? For example, then I will go for article writing only. That's for article writing. This is the question. For example, then if you want to go for rubric, so if you click rubric, now if you see here, create rubric, okay, then I will go back. So we are giving grading for article. Okay, we are giving grading for article. So click on rubric, then create rubric. Okay, now it came, create rubric. Now if you see here, minute. Okay, then we will go for the steps in the article. So introduction part. Then, so anyone tell me this is a 5-point rating scale? Anyone? Then I have to see. Okay, so that part I will send you later. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, why? Because if you want to make the rubric means, then already would have to make planning, the score, then the description. So that one I does not made. So sorry for that one. So I will skip that part. So then we will go. I will make that PPT. Then I will send you how to make a rubric with one example. So it will take some time.
Okay.
I will send you later that part. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
And
then in the
share your screen, because screen is
yes.
sharing.
Okay, that I'll skip that rubric part. Okay, well, because it will consume time. So I does not prepare the description all these things. So then I will send you later. Okay.
Okay.
So then, if you have any questions on this one, Google Classroom, so kindly let me know. So then, actually in the Google Classroom, I given only the material upload, but I does not taken any links from YouTube or while preparing this material, I does not use this part. So I used only the file, then Google Drive, then YouTube link, then normal link. I does not use. Okay, I does not use. So suppose on the LMS. So on the LMS, if you want to give instead of PDF files, for example, here I given PDF files. 1 minute. Yeah. So these are the materials was given. Only it is there. Only PDF files are available. But here we does not given any link related to LMS. So how we have to upload that LMS? You just search. For example, LMS, we have different LMS we have. So for the purpose, if you see here, LMS, just I'm giving only the links. Okay. For example, Edmodo. Time. Otherwise, then you can copy it directly here. Then copy the link. Then you can go to the course. Then create material. E-resources for LMS. Then click add. Then click the link. Then Control V, paste it. Then add the link. Okay. Then Edmodo link was added here. Then if you go for Moodle, so this way you can give what is the exact resources, e-resources for the classroom. You can give it. So then you can assign. You can give in unit 1. Then you can post that one. That's all. That means PDF files also is there. Then links also is there related to unit 1. Okay. But here one of the drawback is if you are sending large PDF files, students cannot download. It will take a lot of time. So while you are sending any documents, for example, if you are sending any PDF documents, always prefer for only 5 to 10 pages. If 5 to 10 pages it is there, then it is easy to download and it is easy to download, and for preparation then it is very easy. Otherwise, it is very difficult to download large file. Okay, so that is the one of the drawback. And also, if you are sending a lot of PDF files, then it will consume your drive also. Then you will not get free space. If you want to get free space, then again we have to go for purchasing space from the Google account. So that one it is there. Then then PDF file we are uploaded, then link also uploaded, then YouTube links we does not done. So one was asked one question, how we have to upload this one already recorded video. So for that, just the recorded video, for example, just recorded video. So we prepared by using a Screencast-O-Matic. We given assignment of for our student. So all the assignment was submitted by using YouTube. So then I will show just example. So actually it is related to academic writing part. Just I am copying, just I am sharing, just you can see here, already it was uploaded in the video. Okay. Yeah. This is just for activity purpose. Now, if you see here, one while you are uploading any videos, so don't go for big data files. If you see here, I given only 3 minutes video. 1 minute. If you see here, this video will be content only 3 minutes. So if 5 to 10 minutes video is there, then it is easy to listen that video. Otherwise, students cannot spend to watch the video more than 10 minutes. So always it is better to cut the videos into part A, part 1, part 2, part 3 like this. Then you can upload in the Google Classroom. So these some of the precautions we have to take while uploading videos in our Google Classroom. PDF files also we are containing only 10 to 20 pages. That one we have to keep in mind, 10 to 20 pages. Then videos also only 5 to 10 minutes between. Then we have to give exact resources where the materials will be available. So for that purpose, you can give some of the link where they can go directly to watch or to download that material related to the topic. So that one we have to take precautions while uploading any material in the Google Classroom. Okay, that is the thing. Then so that's it. I think in the Google Classroom, apart from that, there is no any new things. Only we uploading the materials. Then assessment part is there. We can do quiz also. Except rubrics, I did not explain because I does not prepared the description. So I will send you in the form of PPT to the coordinators so they can do it. Then if you have any questions on this Google Classroom, so kindly ask me, then I will show you that example.
So Any questions after this session? You can come up with questions. Yeah.
Because I will show the only the differences. Here it is very easy to handle. Okay, here it easy to handle. But only thing is we cannot know exactly when student was downloaded the material. Okay, the time duration it will not show. But if you use the Moodle platform, there you will get time duration, how much time they spend. So everything will get. But Moodle we have to go for paid was. We have to purchase. So no need to go for purchase. For simple way, you can use this Google Classroom.
Right. Someone asked Appa Sahib Jawale, live lecture possible or not? I think it's not possible. Live lecture.
Live lecture is not, sir. It is possible. Possible where the possible means now you given your YouTube link through WhatsApp,
Yeah.
right? Through WhatsApp and email. If you are giving that link, if they will click that link, they can show. We
And then you can come live into the YouTube.
but we does not use up to now. I does not use live streaming. I does not use.
Aindi?
Sir,
Yes.
can
Yes,
you hear me,
madam.
sir?
Yes, madam.
Sir, there are any features which we can utilize only by using G Suite? Otherwise, we cannot
Yes,
utilize
yes.
it.
Madam, for example, earlier one question was asked, no, related to attendance. For example, either it is a Zoo Suite account or normal Suite account. When we are taking lecture, like online, now we are taking through Google Meet, right? Through Google Meet, if you are handling any class via Google Meet, you can take attendance. But student does not know we are taking attendance. So when he joined, when he left, when he rejoined, when he left, how much time he spent for 1.5 hour or 1 hour, entire details you will get by using ADA.
Only the attendance purpose we can use.
Attendance part. Then some of the quizzes also, that means for example, yesterday I will explore on assessment tools. So that one also you can link with Google Classroom. That one also we can do.
Sir, can we utilize board, blackboard or whiteboard?
Up to now we does not utilize, but I does not explore in the what you call Google Classroom, or we does not explore up to now. So which one I explored, that one only I shared, but I does not try it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now if you see that options also, there is no option for Blackboard in the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, what are the materials ready-madely was prepared? It is like a library. So whenever the student want to read or utilize, at the time they can use it. It is not live. The Google Classroom is not a live classroom. Google Meet is a live. While you are using live, you can use for Blackboard. You got it, I think, madam. How add on the attendance? Yeah, it is good for people learning. Sir, instead of sharing, then it is better to ask directly. Unmute yourself. You can ask. Why? Because for you already Edmodo, already Tagos are explained. So how you are using Edmodo, the same way you can use this Google Classroom also. That my PPT is also will be step by step, so then it is easy to handle. So there is no much difficulty to handle this Google Classroom. So in my side, I does not explain related to only rubrics. Okay, I does not explain. Why? Because I does not have the data to write the description. Any questions, sir? Arindam, sir? Arindam Ghosh?
I don't have any question, sir, right now. Again, understand you properly, and thank you so much for your very specific and clear lecture.
Okay, except the rubric part, everything I was covered here. Okay, so kindly explore yourself. If you have any doubts, So you can keep in the WhatsApp group, then it will be explained.
Yes.
But for example, only the problem is, so it is only limited for our students, specific subject. It is for not for general. Suppose if you want make it as a general, then you have to give the links. For example, how we can use this e-content development aspects. For example, those who are going for NAC, in new education policy, they given more importance to ICT. Then 2018 UGC regulations also they given more emphasis on ICT related areas. So suppose if any teacher was prepared any e-content development materials like quizzes, then videos, then modules, either in the form of PPT, in the form of a document, in the form of PDF, then you have to upload in any social media platforms. Then you have to give the link to your concerned colleges, or you have to upload in the university website. Then you can claim for that API. So without providing through proper channel, you cannot claim API score. Okay.
Someone is asking, can you show that add-on for attendance?
Sir, add an attendance. Actually, it is not for Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay.
Add-on is those who are taking classes through Google Meet.
Right.
Okay. It is not for Google Classroom.
True.
Okay. So suppose those who are, for example, already just I will show. Okay, how to do while if you are using this Google Meet. Those who are using Google Meet, how to use this add-ons of attendance. Okay, attendance. Just I will show you. So for the purpose, what you have to do, you just go for Google. Just go for Google. So just type Meet attendance. Okay, just Meet attendance. So here it is there. Meet attendance. Google Meet attendance. Click on that one. Meet attendance. One minute. Now, if you see here, so like that it will come. But because okay, I will remove it, then I will install again. No issue. Okay, I am removing now. Okay. Actually, already I installed this one. Yeah. So they are asking why you install that one. Then you have to give the feedback also. Okay. Now, if you see here in the screen, one tick mark it came. Google Meet attendance. Now you have to just what you have to do. You just click Add Chrome. Click Add Chrome. Okay. Click Add Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Click Add Extension. Okay. Click. Now it is downloading downside. If you see here, it is downloading. Yes. Now you can see here. Sir, you are observing now my screen.
Yes, absolutely.
Now you can see here, tick mark came. Google Meet attendance has been added to your Chrome.
Right.
Okay, that means Google attendance was installed. Okay, if it is installed, you see right hand side you can see here extension. Okay, if you see here, click extension. Now you see here Meet attendance. That means in my laptop only one extension is there, that is Google Meet attendance. Okay, only simple step. Go to Google, type Google Meet attendance. Then here the icon will come with a tick mark. Just add it. Then click on Add Extension. So automatically it will be installed in your Chrome. So that is a simple way. then how it will appear in a sense, if you see my screen, I think it not. So whenever this classroom will be over, so automatically it will be entire attendance will be downloaded automatically in the form of Excel sheet. Okay, how it will appear also I will show you. I think first session attendance also I shared with your coordinator. You see here. So this is the first session attendance. Now you can see here. This is the first session attendance. Now you can see these are the names. So through Google Meet, only 66 participants only attended via Google Meet. Here YouTube was not taken. Okay, YouTube will not count. Now if you go for, if you see for example first candidate Damshan Akhtar. So suppose when he joined, so class was started at 11 o'clock. So he joined at 10:58. Okay. So from 10:58, he is there continuously in the class. So he does not left. So this is we can access. Okay. For example, in the case of a second candidate, if you see the second candidate, so he joined at 10:27. Then again he left. Again he was rejoined. That one you can see here. I think due to internet access, so 11 o'clock it was discontinued. Okay, that means how much time you spend also, how much time, that one also you will get here. Okay. Any questions, sir?
Someone asked, can it be added to Firefox?
The Firefox I does not use, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, no need to go for complicated. Make it simple,
Yes.
sir. So if you
And
have
I
worked
think,
unnecessarily,
as Google Meet and all these softwares have been developed by Google himself, I think it's better to
Yes.
use Google Chrome. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is a Google Chrome, so that's why it will support you. Why? Because Google Meet is a product of Google only.
Right.
So Google Classroom is also product of Google. So which add-ons is there, we can do it. But only thing is we need some expertise. But how many add-ons we can know? First, if you know Google Classroom, what is the importance, how to do. Later part only you have to go. At a time, if you go, you will be confused. So you cannot do properly. It will be waste of time only.
Right. So better to stay in the same ecosystem created by Google. Yes.
Well, because we are using for how to use free of cost, then how to make the simple. Don't go for complicated.
Right. So any questions, any other question, you can put it on the live chat box section. Right now, I am not seeing any other question. You can ask any question on the chat box section, or you can just turn on your microphone and ask the question. Anyone in the class? Any
I think you know what is the difference with Zoom. So Zoom, lot of only difference is the quality of video is more better while compared to Google Meet. Zoom video is clarity is there. Only that difference. Apart from that, a lot of people they are paying Zoom and they are taking the classes for schools and colleges unnecessarily. They are spending the money. So to avoid that money, it is better to use. Sir?
Zoom, I think, is much more expensive than Google Meet or Google Suite.
Google Meet is a free of cost.
Yes,
for example,
Google Suite is, I think, much more less expensive than Zoom.
Sir, my advice is, suppose if you want to record your class, you have to take Google Suite. Otherwise, no need to take Google Suite also. Okay, by using only normal Gmail ID, you can take attendance. That means attendance also you can take. Then classes also you can take. Then you can use this Google Classroom up to 250 students, 25 people they can add. You can use with limited resources by without paying single rupee. Only internet only will be consumed.
True.
So that is my advice. So earlier we used Cisco, WebEx, then I think 4 or 5 I use. So then I stopped everything. Now I confide with only Google Meet.
Yes,
Because
Cisco
no need to
WebEx,
spend unnecessary.
in the Cisco WebEx, you can add up to 150. 150.
Sir, for example, in our classroom, maximum number of students per class is only 50.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
what is the need to go for more than 100?
Yes, it's true.
So otherwise, and also these 50 students, they are listening or not, this is a big question for you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, that is also a big question. So meanwhile, instead of that one, it is better to make that if classroom size is 50 is there, it is better to make 25, go for part 1, part 2. Then you can reduce your timing of your classroom. Instead of 1.5 hours, you make class time as only 30 to 40 minutes.
Right.
So remaining all you can post in Google Classroom, it's enough.
Right.
So
Unless
that is my experience.
Yes, yes, true. Unless and until you are organizing a seminar where participants are more than 200 or 250, there is no need to switch on to Google Suite.
Sir, regarding that seminar also, my advice is, sir, we have to go for quality, not for quantity.
Right.
Okay, for example, if you are taking thousands of participated in our 20 only participated our seminar, both are same.
True.
Both
Absolutely.
are same. Instead of that one, my advice is go for with a limited number of participants with quality of output. So the participants also they can learn, and organizers also they can get satisfaction what they given to the participants. So that's why I advise this our Pallav also don't go for more. It is better to make simple. So all participants they can learn properly. If more is there, you will not go for proper interaction also. For example, this is the 6th day of a FDP. 6th day. You make just a question mark. Those who are participating, all the names organizer knows.
Right.
Just a question mark. No, you are taking feedback. You are taking feedback, assignments, all these things. But you does not have good communication skills. What they exactly needed, what they learn, it does not get.
True.
So due to that reason, always you have to minimize the participants. Then you can give the quality.